It is good and proper for everyone to be skeptical, but it is not good, not proper for us to be skeptical without knowing why, without possessing the knowledge ourselves why we need to be skeptical. Blanket cynical skepticism is a form of self-serving biasm, which is often used to maintain a career or two and/or conveniently discredit someone. If we're skeptical because someone somewhere with a degree or not tells us that it is quackery, shouldn't we also be skeptical of that skeptical person? There is a lot of smart and intelligent folks with and without degrees. Whether a person possesses a degree or not does not mean they are smart, dumb, or intelligent. Being smart is not the same thing as being intelligent. Look up the definition of both. If someone with a degree claims that something is impossible because, see here, it states right here in the textbook that it violates the laws of physics, is that actually the final truth of reality? Have they cornered the market of knowledge, or can knowledge progress beyond the textbook? Let the truth be told. Textbooks are written based on the knowledge of the time, and often contain mistakes or even authored biases. The internet is full of false information for these reasons and more, though there is still a lot of valuable information as well. Cynicism, ignorance, and unlearned thinking closes the door on any new discoveries and any disclosures that might otherwise take place. Science is constantly discovering new things, which means they are also constantly changing their minds. This is a good thing. The day science closes the door, proclaiming there is nothing new under the sun, is the day the future comes to a halt. Oh wait, isn't that kind of what's taking place today? And it has been for some time. However, circumstances are about to change everything, and in ways and in directions no one thinks is possible. Einstein was able to cut through the mess of cynical skepticism and reveal an entirely new, deeper level of understanding of physics, changing the textbooks, which is a form of real but slow disclosure. If Elon Musk of SpaceX was overly skeptical, or if he had listened to the naysayers, SpaceX would not have reusable rockets or especially boosters today, or even be profitable. SpaceX was able to achieve what so many so-called tenured experts told him rockets and especially boosters cannot be reused. Just because someone has been doing something for 5, 10, 20, or even 50 years does not mean they are able to relearn, adjust, and do something new, although many are able to. But it also doesn't mean that they actually care for something better. The so-called disclosure a lot of folks seem to be waiting for is taking place all around you now, and most of you do not even recognize it because most are waiting for an officially signed document of reveal. But this is not, nor will it ever take place, because that is not how things actually work. It is not reality. Anyone developing and making use of advanced technologies is not going to open their doors and show you what they are privately doing. Why should they? It is not good for you. It is not good for them. We don't blame them for not wanting to reveal a thing. This would only bring problems. Instead, the real disclosure, as many put it, is actually a silent revolution in physics. Since roughly the 1970s, globally a silent revolution in physics has been taking place, which has been accelerating in the last 15 years. You see, physics as we know it is about to turn upside down on its head with the discovery of negative energies. specifically tachyons, which has already been discovered privately in different systems and ways. Once negative energies are announced, accept what the actual data sets are revealing to us about the fundamental nature of the cosmos. Learn something new, and let's together use this newfound knowledge to forge a better world together. To the stars and beyond, right? On that note, we'll end this video here. Until next time, keep wondering about space. Thank you.